Hello friends, we're here near Brockport, New York. We're going to go on a little adventure to try to locate the Veterans Memorial Tower. I visited that tower, I believe it might be in the 1970s, and it was pretty unique. Since then I think a lot of it has fallen down, but they've tried to do some rebuilding on it. So we're going to try and locate that again and see how it looks today. I'll throw a picture on of what it looked like last time I was around this tower. The next three photos were taken in 2013 by an unknown photographer, showing the tower much in need of repair. There's a small Brockport firehouse here. I do believe the tower is way back behind here. We're going to take a walk back here and find out what we can see. Here's the old sign for help save the tower. This sign is back here in the wilderness, out of sight now, so it looks like it's getting pretty old. There is a clear trail going up the hill behind here. And I think I see something off in the distance. Looks like the remains of the tower. Yep, we're getting closer. Looks like a couple of cemetery markers over here to my left. Let's take a look at those. And here's a small stone. Let's see what it says on the front here. William Castle. Died November 19, 1897. Age 42. Oh, look. Christine, wife of Michael Engelave, and looks like the date is There it is, folks. Does look like it's been renovated quite a bit. There's a new placard next to it. Let's go read that. So if anybody wants to see this, it's on Owens Road in Brockport, New York. Look for the small firehouse and follow the grassy trail up the hill behind it. Again, it's Owens Road in Brockport, New York.